once again.
And guys, I'm in the country with my mom. Say hi, Marcy.
Hi, how you doing?
And I'm eating fried breadfruit with some curry chicken and banana. Yes, look there guys, me almost done mine. And this is my husband one, right Vestan? It tastes good? Nobody can cook like my mother, you know. Oh, make sure you know that. Guys, I have lots of banana trees in the country. So guys, I'm in the country and this is in the front of my yard, and I'm gonna cut this banana. It's there somewhere. There it is. Alright, go ahead and cut the banana. Woo! Wow, there it is. Oh my God, you have to be the man. Clear up the trash, let me see. There it is. Alright, put the trash there, we can see. Clear up the trash. So guys, we're gonna put this banana to ripe, or you can eat some of it if you want. There it is. This one, come on. So guys, there it is. You can eat it or you can put it to ripe. Guys, this is my house in the country. More flowers, guys. Flowers tree here, guys. This is my bird pepper tree, and this is how it bears. See me see one. Guys, this is how the bird pepper looks. Hello, hello. Bellflower. And these Marcy said called bellflowers. They look like a bell. Oh, one drop off. Alright. Wow. Must you plant lots of flowers, yeah, man? There's lots of banana trees. Even banana tree right at the root of my house. And you see that, guys? Guys, this one is Jamaican national flower, hibiscus. Look at it, beautiful. But you know, Jamaican people call it shoe block because you plant it at the front of your house. When you don't want to use the fence, it's a beautiful flower, and you plant it at the front of your house, and it back out all eyes, you know, all eyes and everything black out. Nobody don't have to see everything. And this is hibiscus, Jamaican national flower. Country people know it as shoe block because you plant it at the front of the house as a fence. Here you have a beautiful plant. There it is. Guys, this is a star apple tree at my neighbor's. Look past star apple, guys. And this is a mango tree. Lally, oi! You have to give me some of them a mango, yeah, man. No, this is alone mango tree, Missy Bear. A Julie this? Watch ya. This here one Julie mango tree. It's a lone bear around here, guys. Can you see that? Yeah, they want full more. You know, if I went to plant that tree here. Guys, there's a banana there. I have a banana walk in the back, guys. Lots of banana tree in the back. That's my pear tree. And I'm gonna cut this banana up there and put it to ripe at the back of my house. Guys, look at this, a yam bank, 2 yam bank. One renter. And my pear tree. Guys, I'm cutting a banana. I'm going to show you how you cut banana in the country. You cut it and then you bend it so the banana don't fall to the ground. And then you cut it off like that. That's it. That's how you cut banana. And then you have to cut down the banana chunk and cut it up. Clean it up. This is the banana. Look at it. Yes, and we're gonna cut the next one. So guys, we're cutting one more. You chop it close up and you bend it. You cut it and you put it down. So guys, this is it, 2 bunch of bananas. This one you can eat it like that, or you can put it for ripe, and this one is a eating banana, Marcy. 2 bunches. This is real cotton. I have a big cotton tree in the back, and they're just dropping off like the slush. Look at this, guys. So much cotton dropping off here. Lots of cotton on it. If you don't know cotton tree, guys, this is a cotton tree. This is Sivins birch, the tree, good for cold. And this is it here, guys. Good cold remedy. You just boil it and you drink it, put a little bit of sugar or honey, and it's good to go. Guys, yeah, see cashew here, guys. You eat the flesh and then you burst this part and eat it. See one more up here, guys. Oh, mommy, see one big one, but we can't catch it. Guys, look at chicken. Jamaican people raise chicken like this, guys. You see how clean and nice the coop is? No, after them have the poop, you have to clean it up with the sawdust and put fresh one. But then when you're ready now, then when you weigh about 3-4 pounds, so then you want ready for eat. And the young one, them over here, guys. This is how you do it. One of them is for water and one's for feeding. And then here's the big one. Lots of chicken. And 6 weeks them come in to 3-4 pounds, right? And this one ready to kill, eh? Which one me I go eat? One in the fridge? That one over there so look fat. Like a 3 pound, 3.5 pound. What 3 pound? 4 pound, 4.5. One next set. We're about 3 weeks if you come up. You not stagger the thing right now. You have to stagger it good. Alright guys, see the chicken then, yeah? There's your money stagger thing, guys. Ha ha! You go get one kill. The biggest one, lemon. Where the biggest one? Yeah, that one. Guys, we are cut key in a bush. Look how big key and big and juicy, lemon. Wow. I want big key, man. You go plant back it up, lemon. Alright, lean up it when you come back. Lean up here on a tree. Cut off it up and put down in a lemon. A big key and this and no way sit up. Where you go plant it back? Same place? Oh, you're going to make it quail first.